In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best way to start dropshipping on Etsy without Aliexpress. Aliexpress is not a good option to dropship on Etsy because of the competition, and also on Aliexpress you can't find a lot of like handmade products because you can just sell electronics and stuff like that, because your account will get banned if you do that. Now I have found the best alternative, and probably you know this website. It's very popular and a lot of dropshippers on Etsy right now are using it, and people are making a lot of money right now. So that's why I'm making this video, guys. I want to show you exactly how you can do this. Now the first thing, guys, you want to do, we are going to use CG dropship on Etsy. And the best thing about this, like whenever someone places an order on your Etsy account, CG dropshipping will do everything for you, including sending the order, uploading the tracking numbers, everything. Okay, this is the best way, guys. Like I said, everything will be automatic. Okay, everything will be automatic, like I said. Now you just want to search for CG dropshipping. As you can see, this is the website that we are going to use. It's very popular. A lot of people use it. People who are dropshippers from Shopify or eBay, they are using CG dropshipper. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to just create an account on CG and just click on register. Okay, and then you want to register using your information here, or you can just register using your Facebook or Google. I'm going to use my Google. Yeah, I'm just going to select this Gmail, click on confirm, and I have been doing dropshipping for like 3 years, and like CG is the best. If you ask me about what is the alternative to Aliexpress, and like CG is the best because of the shipping time is very quick, and also you can find handmade products on CG dropshipping. It's literally the best. Like you can't find anything close to this online. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, after you create your account, you want to click on authorization in the top left and click on Etsy so that we can connect our account to Etsy, so that whenever we list a product, I'm also going to list a product, and I'm going to show you exactly like the process on how you can like fulfill orders. Like, by the way, you don't have to touch anything, you don't have to do anything. Everything will be done by CG dropshipping. They are going to ship the item to your customer. So the only thing you do now is to find winning products on CG dropshipping, to find products that are selling on Etsy, find some competitors and see what they are selling, and find that exact product on CG dropshipping and list that exact product, and also copy the title from Etsy seller, because it's proven to work on Etsy. Now I have created this this is my second account. I just created this account for this video. Now what you need to do, guys, after you click on Etsy, you want to click on add store, and after you click on add store, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on connect. Like you want to log into your Etsy account so that you can give access to CG dropshipping to do everything. Okay, now as you can see, this is what Etsy says here. CG will have access, like it will connect to your account, it will see the billing and shipping addresses, it will update the billing and shipping addresses, it will see all the statement data, read ship shopping cart. So this is like click on grant access. Now after, guys, you click on grant access, you are going to give CG the access to your Etsy, and they are going to do everything for you, like I said. Now the first thing you want to do, you want to click on list now. As you can see, you want to click on list now, and after that you will find here the products that you can list on your Etsy account. Make sure you list only handmade products. So find products that are handmade on Etsy. I would say, for example, this one. Okay, this one. Like just don't list anything like electronics. Don't list electronics because your account will get banned. Okay, make sure you list something like this, or anything you can find on Etsy. List that exact item, find it here and list it. Find on Etsy what are these people are selling. Just go to Etsy, for example, this one, these keys. Okay, you want to find these keys, and because this keys was sold 6,000 times. Okay, this store has in their total has like 6,000 sales. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on AirPods keys, and I'm going to search for it on CG, and after that I will find a lot of, as you can see, you will find a lot of AirPods here. Now what you need to do, guys, next you want to find an AirPods that looks it's handmade, like this one, and after that, guys, you want to scroll down and click on a list, And next thing you want to do, guys, due to the upgrade of its platform, products call be listed only after authorization. Sorry for, yeah, you want to authorize this, like again, just click on authorize how, and you want to click on connect. It's very simple. Now we have successfully connected our you want to click on list now, and like I said, you want to find products that look like handmade. I'm going to search for AirPods, for example. I'm just going to go with this one. Yeah, this one. Now you want to scroll down and click on list, okay, and then you want to select here this is the price that CJ will charge, and this is your price, okay. You want to enter here your price. For example, CJ will charge $6. You want to charge, for example, $13, so you are going to keep the profit. Like I said, everything will be done automatically. You don't even have to enter the information, like the address. They are automatically going to send the item to your customer. Now you want to enter here the price, your price. Make sure you don't increase the price that much because of the competition. Just see what other sellers are doing on Etsy and just do the same thing, like 13. Yeah, after that, guys, you want to select here United States, okay. Make sure you, where it says ship my orders most to, click on United States, and make sure you select this CG packet ordinary because it's fast. And after that, you want to add here tags, okay. Just for example, AirPods, click the plus. After that, guys, you want to click on list, okay. Now the moment you click on list, the item will be listed on your Etsy. Now every time it sells, you are going to keep the profit, and CG will ship the product automatically to your customer, okay. Now this is my store. Let me go to my store. As you can see, I don't have any product, but now I have digital upgrades, okay. Now you just want to, like I said, you just want to click on list now, and the product will be listed on your on your Etsy. I'm going to do that right now. Just find products that look like handmade, and that's the product that you have to list. I'm going to click on list this item, for example. As you can see, fortunately, products cannot be listed to Shopify currently. Now you want to find other products, okay. You just want to find other products. I'm going to find products that are this is the beauty of CG. They are not going to let you dropship items that are not allowed on Etsy, okay. Now I'm just going to find, for example, jewelries. I'm going to this one, for example. Then I'm going to click on list. And tags are jewelry, for example. Your price here is like $5, and then click list. Tags, yeah, we just want to add here tags. Click this plus, and then click list now, and make sure you change the title a little bit. After that, you want to click on confirm, and that's it. The item will be listed on your Etsy account. That's exactly, guys, the process. It's very easy, and as you can see, listed successfully. And if you go to your store now, you will find the item on your store on Etsy. Just give it a few seconds, and then you will find that item on your store. So that's exactly, guys, how you can start this business. And every time someone buys the product from you, you don't have to do anything. You are just going to keep the profit. Now the problem here is to find winning products. I'm going to say this again, just find winning products that are going to sell, because if you just keep listing like this randomly, you are not going to get sales. You have to know what product is going to get sales. You have to search on Etsy, find competitors, find people who are selling on it. As you can see, this is the product that we have listed. So anyone who buys this product, make sure you open a shop on Etsy. By the way, you want to click on your account, click on sale, and follow the steps, and make sure you open a shop before you do this, okay. It's very easy to open a shop. Just search on YouTube how to open a shop on Etsy, and you will find a lot of videos. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.